Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and laying it lens up on a soft cloth. This protects glass while you work. Next, clean around the protector to remove oils so adhesives release more easily. Then, warm the protector edge for 10 to 20 seconds. Use your breath or a hairdryer on low, because slight heat softens the adhesive and makes lifting safer. Once the edge yields, use a fingernail or thin plastic pick to create a small gap you can grip without touching the camera. You now insert a thin plastic pick or dental floss into the small gap you made because their flexibility reduces scratching risk. Work one side at a time and peel back at a low, steady angle. This keeps adhesive from tearing and reduces pressure on the lens assembly. Keep your free hand gently stabilizing the phone so motion transfers to the protector, not the camera. If resistance increases, pause and reapply heat. Slow, controlled movement prevents chips and preserves alignment of any lens rings. Once the protector is off, use a microfiber swab dipped in 70% isopropyl to remove adhesive residue. You want a clean, dry surface before fitting anything new. Then inspect the lens for chips or dust. If you find damage, stop and seek professional repair because cosmetic fixes can worsen optical issues. Make sure to align any replacement protector to the camera ring. If you prefer clarity, leaving the lens bare gives better image quality, but expect higher scratch risk without protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.